Okay, look
Wow.
who we have tonight. Yes, that's Munjya star Abhay. Thank you so much for giving us your time.
Thank you,
IFA, Munjya success, Abhay, जिसको कभी डर ना लगे, and you know, on the way to massive success and recognition. How has this year been?
Wow, I think this year is just the year which an actor craves for. Recognition is something which an actor craves for, and the love and appreciation from the audiences at most is what an actor craves for.
Right.
So I think that has come in a big way, and I think मेरा जन्म हुआ है इस साल.
Oh, इस साल मतलब जन्म हुआ है. We also wanted to ask you. A lot of people have been saying, especially you know after Munjya had released, that you look a lot like Timothy.
Oh yeah, right. I've been hearing that.
So
But
क्या reaction रहा है उन comparisons का?
I think it's beautiful because I admire him as an artist and
Yeah.
I admire his choices and his performances with each coming film. And there's a lot to learn there. And that's what I would like to say. And
So
yeah.
Dune आपने उसकी performance काफ़ी अच्छी लगी होगी आपको?
Correct, and I also believe that films of sorts should get made here. We need some Harry Potters and we need some Dunes
Right.
in here.
Right.
And yeah, I would love to be a part of those.
So there's an Indian version of Dune. Of course, you know you'll be playing his character then.
I hope they cast me in that.
Yes. But you know, Munjya के बाद, you know, how has life changed? I mean, are people sort of, you know, recognizing you? अरे ये तो अभय है. Has that sort of, you know, change seeped in? Have you sort of started accepting, yes, that, you know, the popularity has come your way?
No, honestly, there's a slight greed in that. I would really be honest here, since you are asking me. That popularity is something actually which an actor seeks for, and it has come in a huge way after Munjya, and I'm very glad that it's happened, because wherever I go, it's not just me who has won.
Yeah.
It's every producer, every director, and every newcomer who has gotten hope because of Munjya, and hope is something which is the biggest gift that you can give to any other human possible.
Right, and everybody is also expecting, you know, the universe of Munjya and Stree to, you know, to expand.
Right.
What are the plans? What are your thoughts on that?
I think I would just like to zip my lips for now on a lot of things. But yeah, I would just like to mention that a lot of entertainment is coming your way.
Right, and Munjya 2 is also
I hope so.
underway. Is
I
that
hope so.
happening?
I hope so. Fingers are crossed there.
Fingers are crossed there. So, one last message that you would like to send out to all your fans.
Oh, I think it's a beautiful time that you have made me live in my life. And for this beautiful time, I don't think जितना actually colors आपने मेरी life में डाले हैं, उतना मैं थोड़ा करके I'll keep sharing with you all on such carpets.
Right.
And thank you so much for making my life and making my journey worth living. Thank you so much.
പുതിയ വാർത്തകളും വിശേഷങ്ങളും ഇനി വിരൽ തുമ്പിൽ. എല്ലാ ഡിജിറ്റൽ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോമുകളിലും ഇപ്പോൾ സീ മലയാളം ന്യൂസ് ലഭ്യം.